Good morning. It's a pleasure to be here today with both engineer Hassan Mohamed San Ibrahim and engineer Mostafa Ahmed Sayed Rashid, who has just defended their master thesis inside our specializing master project management in construction works with BIM. They are both from Egypt and they are right now working in Saudi Arabia. And in their master thesis, which is titled Applying Project Management in Construction with BIM, they have dealt with the project on which they are working right now. We are with them to know something about their experience in this specializing master.
Okay, hello, how are you? We are so glad and so happy to share our experience here in the project management in construction with BIM with Politecnico Milano. Our project is, or our thesis was regarding the very big project in Saudi Arabia, including infrastructure works for most of the disciplines in infrastructure like potable water, sewage, and the TSE and medium voltage. A lot of infrastructure work in addition to building work. It was very pleasure for us. We have learned a lot in this series. We have we took a lot of lectures and experience. We took in deep in a lot of things in the BIM or the project management itself. It helped us in our work and improve our knowledge in Saudi Arabia. And also my colleague Hassan also has to say something. Let us describe and explain our experience for our series here for the Polini University.
Hassan, maybe if you stay a little bit closer to the microphone because we cannot hear you very well.
Now it's better?
Yeah, better.
Okay. First, I am very happy and pleasure to join our thesis today with Polimi University as a professional university in this career and this BIM field. First, we want to share our experience that we gained from our thesis here. It's really useful for us. We have more benefits regarding this thesis. We learned a lot of things like how to make 3D modeling with using Revit model, how to make quantity survey and the quantity takeoff for all the materials, for all the model of the project, in which stage, which item you want. Also, you know how to make clash detection and predict any clash before it's already happened on site or installed on site by using a Navisworks software, for example, with every details, with every type of the clashing, with everything. And this is very useful for any site or any mechanical or any BIM engineer at site. We also learned how to make or how to link our model with the time and the schedule of the project with the 4D BIM management. And also we learned also how to link our model with the cost for the 5D cost of the project. You can predict and know in any stage of the project, you can know how the total amount it will be expended at this amount of cost according to the time of the schedule of the project. How the total material regarding the total cost of the material, total cost of the site subcontractor, total cost of transportation for anyway, and you can determine the total cost at each stage of the project. And also learned how to make presentation or dashboard with Power BI. And at the final, we view this thesis or this master is very useful for us. It's gained a lot of information to us. I think it will be more useful for us after that in my career also. It's benefit to reduce the risk at site. For example, يعني it's BIM at final, it's not a design tool, it's transformation information management platform. We use it to make the work more useful and easy for us. And also it reduces risk and benefits to predict anything what happened before having insight.
Very well. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
As I told you during the dissertation, I think that you have made a very good master thesis, which is perfectly in line with both the area on BAM management and the area on project management. Would you then show us some slides from your presentation in order to better understand how you have scheduled the work on your master thesis and managed it?
For sure. For example, this is the content for our presentation that we are talking about: project overview, 3D modeling, quantity takeoff, crash detection, applying project management, 4D simulation, and 5D, and the BIM dashboard also. Here is a project overview. This is data about our projects that we are discussing today for the Out District project package 5. Here this is screenshotting for our 3D modeling, which is showing the HVAC 3D modeling inside the basement and firefighting model also inside the basement. And here this is showing the reel which is installed in the fire pump room in basement 2, which is showing that the BIM already making 3D model. It's already installed on site with 100% actual and 100% matching with each other.
Perfect.
Also, we were talking about the quantity takeoff, and here there is a screenshot showing how to make the quantity takeoff from our 3D model from the Revit, and you can adjust anything in the POQ, and you can link it on the POQ already with the model. Any changes happen in the design of the 3D model, it will be automatic happened in the quantity survey and the quantity takeoff. Also, crash detection here. This is a photo how to make crash detection by find items, tools, and search sets. And after that, you will go to the crash detection and select which items you want to be want to make crash detection with it, and then you will adjust the type and tolerance and run the test. And after that, you can export like the photo here. You can export the crash detection report, which is showing each report in your case with the item number, with the type of it, with everything, and to assign to the engineer he will solve this crash detection in his model. And applying the project management also, we are talking about the time and project scope, cost, project cycle, project organizational chart, and any value. And here we're talking about the 4D simulation and the scheduling. And here also it's showing by using the Navis work how to make 4D simulation by to achieve the time schedule of the project and to be matching with it to 100%, not to be behind the schedule. By also showing here, and after you make the data on the left side, you will click on simulate and make play. All the 3D modeling will be simulate and will be annotation will be shown with you on the Navis work. And like here also, it's already simulate. When you click play, it's shown like that. And with the same method also for the 5D cost estimation, we will make the same process, but we will adding the cost for each item of the project according to architecture, mechanical trades, electrical trades, structural trades with the material cost, labor cost, equipment cost, subcontractor cost, and automatic he will make the total cost like which is shown in the photo now. And after that, you will click also play, and here in the 5D display setting, you can adjust whatever you want to be displayed when you're simulating your model. In each stage, you can show, for example, material cost, labor cost, subcontractor cost, whatever you want to be shown, it will be shown when you simulate the to be shown when you simulate the model. Like here also on the left side with the red color cloud, it's showing every data, each data we already installed, mentioned in our model. So also we use BIM dashboard by using
BI.
We collecting all the data regarding our cost also to be clear for our management, to be clear for the project management, also to the client, that it will showing all the cost and all the progress of the projects.
And then
and finally, it's more benefit for us. Like here's summary of our case study. We specified everything we are using. For example, how to make the benefits for the quantity survey, the benefits for the coordination and clash detection before it's installed in site. That you will use, if each family will use, you can insert in it more specific data to be useful for that, to the operation and maintenance stage, to be useful for the facility management stage also. And finally, I want to be thankful for F.lli that they give us the chance to make a lot of that.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Of course, it has been a pleasure, and my wish to you is that the tools, the professional tools and the information the specializing master has tried to provide will go on being useful for your professional career in the future.
I hope so.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.